In romance, nothing is heard, there is no exchanging of words, only a sequence of verbs, actions transmuted from thought that need no description. So then why do I continually try to appropriate the dialogues of love and hate, lyrics with loneliness, dissonance with disdain? Life is not a musical, there must be something wrong with my brain. If I'm still relying on the same notions, that poems carry the same weight as roses, that serenades were serendipitous enough to replace a simple hug. The transition from being nervous to having the nerve is one that my body apparently can't seem to do, when all I want is to prove that I think, I know, I'm sure, I have fallen for you. And all I have to do is act for things to change, but in which way does destiny sway, in or out of my favor? Should I spend what little grace I've garnered with the fickle mistress of fate, who could grant me you as easily as she could deny me my wish? Yet, am I more enamored with you, or your prospects, your scintillating smile, your endearing eyes, your gentle touch? Am I any better than the sleazeballs who don't respect boundaries, than the smooth talkers who bend nerves and break hearts? I think, I know, I'm sure I am. For my words will endure far longer than their words. For my words are the pure translation of what my heart has and what I'm willing to give to you.
Yeah.